This video is for the Cyberbullying Guide Assignment 4, Music Transitions and Publish. First, you're going to go to wevideo.com, click Login up in the top right corner, and click on Login with Google. Then from here, you're going to rest your pointer on your video and click on Edit. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to see a little zoom at the bottom right corner of your screen. You're going to click and drag to the left to make sure that you can see all of the items in your video. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add music. So you're going to click on the little music note up at the top, and you can click on any of these different options. So what you're going to do is just to preview something, there might be folders for you to click on, but you would go ahead and click on the folder that you want to listen to, and then you would just click in order to preview the music. I'm just going to pause it right now. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down in your timeline so that you can see audio 1, and you're going to click and drag to add the music into audio 1. And again, you could probably have to scroll down. So here's our audio, and we're going to stick it in audio 1. Then from here, what you're going to need to do, if you can't see the end of the song, you're going to have to click and drag the zoom to go pretty much almost all the way to the left, so like right here. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your song in the timeline, put your pointer at the end of it, and then you're just going to click and drag it to end at the same time as your video. And then from here, what you can do is you can click on the little line that appears above it, and if you want, you can make the music fade in and out. So for example, it'll fade in for 1 second, fade out for 1 second, and if we were going to play the end, then we can hear that it fades out. And then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to publish our video. So you're going to have to scroll up to the top of the screen and click on Finish. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on 720p, and you're going to click on the Google Drive icon, and then click on Finish. So then it's going to take probably a minute or two for it to actually publish. In the meantime, what you're going to do is open up a new tab, and you're going to go to Drive, so 3x3 grid Drive. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Recent. And at that point, if your video has published, you're going to see it here. In this case, it's still waiting, so you're not going to see it right away. In the case of you don't see it right away, pretty much what you want to do is just check the video status, and when it says that it's done, then you can refresh Google Drive, and then your video should appear. So again, it might take a few minutes, but in the meantime, I'm just going to show you with another video that I have published. When you see your video, what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and then click on the plus sign with the little person up at the top, and then you're going to share it with efoley@hanoverschools.org. So just click on the email address right there and click on send, and that's it.